How to open RAR files on Windows computer. Open the WinRAR installation site. Website link in video description. Click Download WinRAR. Click the Continue to download WinRAR link. Double-click the setup file. Click Yes when prompted. Click Install. Make sure the RAR box is checked. Click OK, then click Done. Open WinRAR. Click File. Click Open Archive. Select your RAR file. Click Open. Click Extract to. Select a location to extract your files to. Click OK. Once the extraction is complete, the RAR file's contents will be accessible.